Welcome to Tool Time on Location. And now the star of the show, Tim the Tool Man Taylor.
Thank you, everybody, and welcome to Tool Time. I am Tim the Tool Man Taylor, and of course you all know my assistant, Al Borland.
To give something back to the community, Binford has designed this complete workshop on wheels.
We'll be coming into your neighborhood to help with your household repairs.
That's right, we're equipped to fix your tools, your car, your plumbing.
On a good day, your schnauzer. Let's take a look at this van, shall we? It's a custom-made Chevy half-ton. Custom-made flares. It's got a dually rear axle, aluminum wheels. 440 horse 350, but inside is a real story. This thing is equipped to fix anything from a Hoover vacuum to the Hoover Dam. Complete set of Allen wrenches, circular saw, cordless drill, table vise, even one of Al's vices.
And here we have a laptop computer with a complete set of home repair manuals on CD-ROM.
We call it the brains of the operation.
Something we'd never call Tim.
Moving on. We even have our own paint department on this van. You can create the custom color of your choice right over here.
And paint isn't the only thing we make to order.
Because the working man works up a hearty appetite. That's why our circular saw doubles as a deli slicer. We'll make you a salami and oak sandwich, or how about a Dagwood extra lean?
This brazing furnace, well, it's also a barbecue grill.
So while we're sharpening your axe us for a hamburger. And you can wash it down with a Binford 6100 milkshake. Because our paint mixer doubles as a blender. What flavor is that?
White semi-gloss.
I don't get it. You've been driving around for 20 minutes. Where is everybody?
Maybe nobody has anything broken.
Something is always broken, Al.
Guys, we forgot something.
There you go, Smitty. Brand new people.
That should cut down on those unexpected visits from your ex-wife, huh?
God bless you, Tool Man. You have given me hope.
Okay, Larry. I finished working on your weed hacker. Did the work myself, so I gave you a little bit more power. Gratis, man. Got a little bit of weight, so the balance is a little different, so let me show you about handling this bad boy. Al, help me out. Hold it. All right, safety first, folks. Always use your goggles. But now the motor's a little heavier now. Starting is the same. All right, hold on to here. And give her a crank there. Oh, yeah. Little weed here. Little weed there. Just like butter. There you go, Larry. Start some hacking, buddy.
Whew. Nicely done, Tim.
Thank you, Al.
Okay, well, that's it for Tool Time.